Hello everyone, this is Jesse with BBS of America. Today I'm here to show you a very cool special item that we've been working on for a while, and I wanted to do an unboxing video. So you can see the details of what we have to offer in this particular item. It is not a wheel, just so you know. This item is one of 150, and it's a numbered series that will come with the number on the outer box and also engraved on the actual item itself. These are all individually numbered. This particular one is number 3 of 150. I'm not special enough to get number 1, so you have to settle for number 3. So this piece is a piece that really came to us when we were thinking about some things we've done with the racing side of our business. You know, over the years, we've had a lot of relationships with many race organizations. One such organization is the Trans Am Series, where BBS is the sponsor for the Most Improved Driver of the Year, and we are responsible for the trophy presentation. The company that makes the trophies that we present at the end of the season made one of these as a gift for us, and that is where the idea for the FI-R cube started. So we came up with this absolutely stunning piece. Now, we focused on detail because we wanted to make sure the presentation is good. We made sure that it comes in a really nice clean box with the BBS logo on it. We made sure that the piece itself is extremely well done. And this piece is clearly well done because what we did was we created this really clean cut piano black stand that the cube will sit on, as you can see. This stand has a lighted LED light that comes through here that allows you to display this absolutely stunning piece, modeled after one of our favorite pieces, as far as one of our favorite wheels, the FI-R. We also decided that we were going to do the limited production only because we didn't want too many of these rolling out there, and we wanted them to have some value in the long run. So one of the things we wanted to do was not only put it on this beautiful black, or rather piano black stand, but we also wanted to add lighting, so we added an LED light underneath the design of the wheel, just so we can capture all the details of the wheel. And with the light on, you can see all the details in the spoke, where in the FI-R, the spoke has a little cutout inside the primary spoke and the secondary spoke, and the lighting allows that to happen.